Think gaming phones can't take great photos? The Red Magic 10 Pro's triple camera setup says otherwise. Stick around to see what makes this camera a standout performer. When it comes to gaming smartphones, the focus is usually on processors, displays, and cooling systems, but this one brings serious photography power. Let's break down its camera setup and see if it delivers more than just gaming excellence. First, we talk about the main rear camera. 50MP sensor. Let's start with the heart of the Red Magic 10 Pro's camera system, its 50MP wide lens. It has an f/1.9 aperture, PDAF for fast focusing, and OIS for steadier shots. What does this mean in real-world use? You get sharp, detailed images even in low light. For instance, in a dimly lit room, this sensor captures textures and colors accurately, where other gaming phones might struggle. Whether it's your pet sleeping in a cozy corner or a cityscape at night, the results are impressive. When it comes to ultra-wide-angle lens, 50MP. The ultra-wide camera matches the main sensor in megapixels but has an f/2.2 aperture. It's perfect for capturing landscapes, group photos, or dramatic shots of architecture. The 120-degree field of view ensures that nothing gets cropped out. For example, during a sunset at the beach, this lens gives you vibrant, edge-to-edge coverage with minimal distortion. Now we talk about the macro lens, 2MP. While the 2MP macro lens doesn't pack the same punch as the other two cameras, it's still handy for up-close shots. Think of details like a flower's petals or the texture of fabric. However, this lens is more of a bonus feature than a standout. Now we talk about the under-display selfie camera, 16MP. The 16MP under-display front camera is where things get really interesting. Unlike the punch-hole designs you see on most phones, this camera sits invisibly beneath the screen. While this is great for gaming and watching videos without interruptions, selfie performance is decent but not groundbreaking. It works best in well-lit conditions, offering clear, natural tones when it comes to video recording capabilities. Now, let's talk video. The rear cameras can shoot up to 8K at 30 frames per second. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a feature creators and filmmakers can appreciate. Imagine recording a skateboarding trick or a music gig and later zooming in without losing detail. For more common resolutions, you can record 4K at up to 60 frames per second or 1080p at up to 240 frames per second for slow-motion enthusiasts. The front camera records in 1080p at 30 or 60 frames per second, which is great for vlogging or quick social media posts. The quality is sharp enough to make your content pop, especially with proper lighting. If we talk about the features, the Red Magic 10 Pro's camera app has several modes like night, portrait, and pro settings for manual control. The night mode enhances low-light shots, reducing noise while keeping details intact. Pro mode lets you tweak ISO, shutter speed, and focus, ideal for anyone looking to experiment.